Hi there, I am Josh. Welcome to OnlyVPNs.net YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use ExpressVPN for free. Just to make it clear before we start, ExpressVPN is not a free VPN provider, it's a premium VPN you have to pay for. However, this is the best VPN on the market. Being the best premium VPN, you can't use ExpressVPN for free indefinitely, which is why I'm going to show you how you can use ExpressVPN for free during the first 30 days, but also clarify why using this trick is better than using any free VPN. So ExpressVPN offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, which lets you get a full refund in the first 30 days of your purchase for whatever reasons. No questions asked, and if ExpressVPN's customer support asks you why you want to get a refund, you can simply say I don't want to use it anymore and get a full reimbursement within less than a few hours. So all you have to do to use ExpressVPN for free is get any of the plans that it offers, download the application to your device and enjoy all the benefits of the best paid VPN without any limitations. Then within the first 30 days you can just contact ExpressVPN's customer support by using the live chat widget. Say that you want to get your money back and that's it. You get refunded and you don't lose a single penny. So you basically used ExpressVPN for free. Now, which plan do we recommend getting? Well, we recommend the cheapest one, which is the annual plan, where you also get a 49% discount and 3 months free on top of that. Plus, of course, a 30-day money-back guarantee that applies to all plans and lets you use ExpressVPN for free for the first 30 days. If you end up liking ExpressVPN, you can simply keep using it until your plan expires and enjoy numerous benefits that it has to offer to get a 49% discount and 3 months free for the annual plan. Just use the following link in the description below to claim this deal now. Why using ExpressVPN for free for 30 days is better than getting a really free VPN? Well, if you check our video about the best free VPNs on the market, you'll see that free VPNs are quite limited in what they offer. And these limitations will come out as soon as you start using them. Namely, free VPNs offer very weak security features, they do store logs and even sell your personal information to third parties. Not to mention painfully slow speeds, poor performance, no 24/7 support, and just a few server locations that won't allow you to bypass any geo-blocks and unlock Netflix or enjoy safe torrenting. On the other side, there's ExpressVPN that offers 3000 servers in 94 countries, a verified no logging policy, military-grade encryption, and reliable 24/7 support. Moreover, ExpressVPN has the fastest speeds on the market, and combined with the fact that it works with Netflix and many other streaming platforms, you can use it to enjoy streaming on any geo-blocked platform of your choice. Of course, it has P2P servers, so you can download torrents safely with it. Plus, it works in censored countries, China for example, meaning that you can bypass firewalls and regain your internet freedom in seconds. Lastly, ExpressVPN even offers 5 simultaneous connections on a single account, so you can protect every device in your home with just one subscription. To conclude, we think that using ExpressVPN for free for 30 days is a much better solution than going for any free VPN you can get your hands on with all the limitations and pitfalls. Free VPNs are simply not worth your time, even if your demands are not very strict. Even worse, free VPNs can be very dangerous due to the fact that they usually sell your personal information to third parties, which can drastically decrease your level of privacy online. This is why we recommend that you use ExpressVPN for free and take advantage of its money-back guarantee. So that was all for today's video. We hope you liked it, and if you did, make sure you smash the like button below, subscribe to our channel and stay with us, because many more videos like this are coming very soon. See you in the next video. Bye.